Hello and welcome to Them Fast, and today we have a very special car to show to you guys. So this is the Mission E converted Volkswagen Golf and it's a station wagon, and this car is converted to a fully electric car. So in this video we will take you on a tour and show you all the quirks and features of this car. So for starters, this is the Mission E Golf. It is my company, and we convert regular cars to fully electric ones. And this is the company car, and it is equipped with a 204 brake horsepower electric drivetrain from AC Propulsion. It has a 37 kilowatt hour battery pack, delivering this car with a range of around 200 kilometers. And it is still a Volkswagen Golf, so it's pretty practical. So and as you can see, we have some winter tires in the front because we have quite a lot of torque, and if you don't have it, you'll spin quite a lot with this car. And as you can see, this is the first prototype that drives on the road, and it's a like a sort of test platform to test out new technologies and new equipment for later implementations in other cars. And right here we find the charging port of the Golf. And as you can see, we made a Type 2 charging socket in this car. And it is capable of charging AC power up to 20 kilowatts. And right here we go into the interior of the Volkswagen Golf. And as you can see, it all just looks like a regular Volkswagen Golf, apart from the screen underneath the dashboard. Of course, we're going to make a separate review as well of this car, and it's going to be on the channel in a few days, I think. So as you can see, it's quite a nice interior. I have a multifunctional steering wheel, and we have a radio navigation system. Yes, it does indeed have navigation in it. And the central screen underneath the dash is for the electric drivetrain to see what specific data is there. So in here we find a button to turn on the heater, because that's electric too. And in the rear we have 3 seats with a central armrest for the rear passengers, which is nice. And we also have a ski hatch to load longer items in your car. And we also have 2 cup holders in the center console, as you can see right here. It's actually quite a nice feature of this car. And of course we have 2 separate air vents. Right now we're going to check out the trunk of the Mission E Golf. And as you can see, the trunk floor is high quite a bit, That is because we have the electric drive. We have the electric battery there. So normally the batteries will be underneath the car, but for this test vehicle we put it like in the trunk. But we still have quite some room for some tools, cables and stuff to make the cars. And of course, we also do have a tow bar, which is nice for carrying big stuff in a trailer. And it does not have an electric tailgate. Right now we're going to take a look underneath the hood about what has been changed with this car, because that is actually quite a lot. So right here we find the big central power electronics unit, and that is the integrated charger, motor controller, DC-DC converter, and it's all in one big box. So it is a 150 kilowatt drivetrain, so that's more than 200 horsepower and 220 newton meters. And the motor is capable of 12,000 RPM, so that's also quite a lot. And this car is actually pretty quick, which you will probably see in the review soon. And listen to the sound of this car. So that's it for now. This was the short tour of the Mission E Golf. Soon there will be a POV drive and a full review coming onto the channel. And if you want to know more, then visit the website at missione.nl. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys next time. Ciao!